Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. Today, we're taking a quick look at Santander Bank's online presence, specifically their website at santanderbank.com. This site serves as the primary digital gateway for customers and those interested in learning more about the bank's services. Navigating through the website, you'll likely find a wealth of information, ranging from personal banking options like checking and savings accounts, to more complex financial products such as mortgages, loans, and investment services. The homepage usually features prominent sections highlighting current promotions and key areas of interest, allowing visitors to quickly access what they need. Depending on your location, you might also encounter specific regional offerings and services tailored to the local market. It's worth exploring the different sections of the website to understand the full scope of Santander's financial products and services. You'll likely find details on credit cards, wealth management tools, and possibly even resources for small businesses. Beyond the product information, the site undoubtedly provides contact information for customer support, including phone numbers, email addresses, and perhaps even a live chat feature for immediate assistance. Furthermore, the santanderbank.com website likely incorporates security measures to protect user data and ensure safe online transactions. Look for information about their online security protocols and practices, which are crucial in today's digital landscape. Remember to be cautious when entering personal financial information online and always verify the website's security certificates. Exploring the site thoroughly will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of what Santander Bank offers. Don't hesitate to utilize the site's search function if you're looking for something specific. They often include a sitemap to help navigate the various sections efficiently. Keep in mind that website layouts and information can change, so always refer to the official santanderbank.com for the most up-to-date details.